Ani and I got in the car, and you could see an orange glow way out in the distance, and I said, Ani, it's gone. You just knew.
The largest private employer in Webster Parish suffered a major fire overnight. The Fibrebond plant in Minden lost its production facility in one of the biggest fires the area has ever seen.
Fire hoses everywhere, smoke.
We had twisted beams. The fire had got so hot that it popped holes in the concrete. I mean, it was just a lot of devastation.
In the daylight, all that remained of the plant's processing facility was ashes and twisted metal.
Thought my job was done here at Fibrebond. I thought that was the end.
Lord, what's gonna happen? Will I have a job?
Mr. Walker gathered everybody. And the main point he drove home was that Fibrebond's not gone. He assured everyone they still had a job. He assured everyone they still had a paycheck.
He was more concerned about the employees and their families that he was supporting more so than he was the fire. And he said if everybody wanted a paycheck, might not be doing what you were doing, but be here Monday morning.
We were going to keep operations going. There was a plan put in place, and it was going to be, wouldn't say business as usual, but it was going to be business.
We shifted production to our Fairfield facility.
And they said, hey, we know what we want to do. We're going to keep the doors open. But we need you guys to start manufacturing shells for us and sending product back so we can keep everybody working.
And we got us a team together, and we just start producing buildings.
And then they were shipped back here, and our crews here were given the task to finish out those buildings and then to put them on the road.
I think it molded us and made us better in so many ways. And I felt the good Lord got us through all of that, and our people still are the best anywhere I ever saw.
We needed to pull together, we all worked together, and we got things done.
Let's mourn this plant because it's been very good to us over the years. And even though it's a pile of rubble now, y'all get it out of the way, and I'm gonna be about rebuilding. We had tried to shoehorn how in the world we're gonna finally fit a sure enough concrete precast plant in the old plant. And all of a sudden, what I got out of that was, after the fire, we had a whole new concrete slab, and that's exactly how that new plant got built, and it was world class.
Well, it definitely gave us the ability to upgrade our equipment that then gave us capacity that no one else in the country had.
To know how much Mr. Claude and the Walker family thought about our families to keep us going, to make sure we all had paychecks. How dang they're doing anything for Fibrebond now.
As you begin to look at upcoming projects, you hear the word I can't do and things not gonna work. And then you look back to the guys that went through something like that with you, and they don't know a lot of those words. We erased them.
Everybody thought, oh my goodness, this is the end. No, and I still believe today, Fibrebond's best days are still in front of us.